Good morning, friends. It's Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, and it's time for your news from the economic section of the Shafaq News website. Shafaq News. On Monday, the Iraq Stock Exchange announced that around 17 billion shares were traded in March, with a financial value of 30 billion dinars. A report from the exchange highlighted that 19 trading sessions were organized and 67 companies traded their shares out of 104 companies listed on the exchange. The total number of shares traded reached approximately 17.86 billion, with a total transaction value of 37.32 billion dinars through 13,337 transactions. The ISX 60 price index closed at 1,009 points, reflecting a decrease of 31.3% from the previous session. It is noted that the Iraq Stock Exchange conducts 5 trading sessions weekly from Sunday to Thursday and includes 104 listed Iraqi companies across various sectors such as banking, telecommunications, industry, agriculture, insurance, financial investment, tourism, and hospitality. In a related economic update, Iraqi Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani announced on Monday a remarkable increase in customs revenue by approximately 128% and tax revenue by about 22%, both surpassing figures from previous years. He expressed the government's readiness to support local and international entities in developing the banking sector and achieving financial stability during a conference addressing reforms in Iraq's banking sector. Al-Sudani commended the efforts that made the conference possible and recognized the contributions of the central bank and banks alongside local and international consulting teams. The government plans to reform the banking system, enhance its capabilities to provide services, and address the economic challenges by introducing a long-term financial plan aimed at improving tax and customs systems while maximizing non-oil revenues. Furthermore, the Central Bank of Iraq issued a new directive on Monday regulating the use of banking cards, credit, debit, and prepaid for transactions outside Iraq to enhance oversight on international transactions and ensure the growth of international settlement payments. The regulations specify that newly issued cards can be activated for foreign use 30 days post-issuance and outline various transaction limits based on the nature of expenses, such as travel or medical treatments. On the currency front, the dollar's exchange rate increased on Monday in Baghdad and Erbil, with rates recorded at 147,750 dinars per $100 in Baghdad, rising from 147,300 dinars from the previous day. Additionally, Iraq emerged as the leading importer of legumes from Turkey in February, with Turkish exports valued at $151.1 million, including $22.1 million worth directed to Iraq specifically. In the commodity markets, gold prices fell to their lowest level in over 3.5 weeks, influenced by widespread selling and growing concerns about an economic recession related to trade tensions between the United States and China. As for oil prices, they have seen a significant decline of more than 3% due to rising trade tensions, with Brent crude dropping to $63.30 per barrel. The market reactions reflect increased uncertainty surrounding global economic stability. Overall, the economic landscape in Iraq signals both challenges and areas of growth, especially in the banking sector, as new regulations and reform initiatives are being implemented amidst fluctuating commodity prices and evolving international trade dynamics. And that ends all the economic news from the Shafaq News website. We hope this brings value to your day. If so, please like and subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when our reports are uploaded. Thank you for joining us, and have a great Monday.